here, to say we have not called out the strike as the officials of the union at this branch, but we are only advising our members to resume duties from 6th. This is as per the court order. We are only trying to be honorable to the court, but we as the officials in this branch, we cannot call on the strike because at the end of the day, we are not the authors of the strike. As we wait for the negotiations from the national level to continue and to come out with a final decision.
Today we want to say we've talked, and with respect to the court order, we have agreed, or the union has agreed, that they are not calling off the strike, but they want to call their members to go back to court in respect to work in respect to the court order, court orders that were issued. So I want to thank the union and the members and the nurses because of their dedication to the service of the people of Tharaka Nithi County. Secondly, I want to tell all the residents of Tharaka Nithi County that our services in all our hospitals, health centers and dispensaries will resume tomorrow normally.